Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off your read receipts on WhatsApp. Really easy and simple to do. So all you have to do is just head over to the WhatsApp application, open that up, and then you just want to head over to settings, and then to account, and then to privacy, and then just wait for a second just to load up here. And then all you see, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see the read receipts tab there. So you can just turn them off by toggling it off, and people won't be able to see when you read the messages, or you can just leave it on and then people will be able to see when you read the message. Anyways, I hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.